Yung previous local top, 35,950. Meron tayong new local top, 36,677. Nag-high na tayo dyan. Ngayon, we are trading at 36,398. Kita naman natin itong uptrend. Alisin ko na itong box, ha. Kita naman natin to. Sinabi naman natin sa inyo na flag ito. Okay, this is an ascending triangle, a bullish pattern. Ngayon, mag-iiba to, ha. Iiba to. Tignan natin to, ha. Tignan ko itong theory na to, ha. Wedge. This is a rising wedge. Let's see kung tutulayin niya to. But this is, again, this is too early, ha. This is too early, mga titos and titas. Let's see kung tutulayin niya yan or babalik tayo dito. So, syempre, daily chart po ito. And we still have 20 hours bago magsara tong candle na to. If we close above, today, if we close above 36K, it's confirmed. That's a breakout. Malaki ang chance na breakout yan. If we close above. But if we close below, it's confirmed. That's a trap. So, tingnan natin mga titos and titas. Yung mga nag-TP, congratulations sa inyo. If you are gaining, you put a trailing stop. Pag naibalik sa market yung gain, ha? Put na yung trailing stop. Kung meron kayo niyan, adjust na lang po yung trailing stop natin. Malalaman natin mamaya pagbukas ng US. Kung itutuloy ba nila yan, sasakyan ba nila yung breakout yan, o sasabihin nila, hindi kami kasali dyan. We don't agree on that breakout. Laglag. Follow for more, Tito Boobs!